We're at Schneider Electric's Partner Summit in Dubrovnik 2019. I'm with Željko Petrovic, who's the Managing Director of King ICT here in Croatia. You've just won an award. Željko, how do you feel about that?
I was very surprised. I didn't expect some reward or something like that. Very, very surprised.
How long have you been working with Schneider?
My company was working with Schneider for more than 20 years. Not only with APC, actually with Schneider Electric in low voltage and medium voltage systems.
And how important is Schneider to the development of your business?
Schneider Electric is very, very important for us because Schneider Electric is offer complete solution, and for maintenance, for performance maintenance, that's very, very comfortable.
And the new offers they're bringing to market, they've announced here, are they going to be good for you to develop further business?
Yes, of course, especially new software for maintenance of data centers. Next year we will have a project, 5 data centers, which will be monitored by Schneider Electric Eco Structure software.
Željko, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you.